Assalamu alaikum, dear learners and viewers. Welcome to my class. This is English second part for class 8, 9 and 10. And this is MT Mahbub Hasan, assistant teacher, Manufacturer Shahra Latif, Memorial Girls High School, Meghna, Kumilla. Our today's topic is transformation of sentences. You know very well that there are a lot of levels of transformation of sentences. We have to learn everything about all the levels of it if we want to gain a good knowledge about it. Today we will learn about the affirmative and negative, or affirmative to negative and vice versa. Dear learners, if we want to discuss details the transformation of sentence, we will find there are many parts of it. Those are: number 1, sentences according to meaning; number 2, sentences according to structure; number 3, voice change; and the last one is change of degree. If we discuss detail, in number 1, sentences according to meaning, there have affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentences. And in number 2, sentences according to structure. According to structure, sentences are divided into 3 parts. Those are simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. And in number 3, voice change. Voice change, dear student, you know there are 2 types of voice. Those are active voice and passive voice. And the fourth one is change of degree. There are 3 types. Those are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative. Before going to discuss affirmative to negative, we have to learn how many kinds of sentence according to meaning. Dear learners, according to meaning, sentences are divided into 5 kinds. Those are assertive sentence. As by assertive sentence, we can express our thought, we can express ourselves, and that is a statement. And this kind of sentence again divided into 2 types. Those are affirmative sentence, negative sentence. The next one is interrogative sentence. By interrogative sentence, we mean that asking something to other for learning something, that is a question, and we clearly identify sentence by observing the question mark after the sentence. Dear learners, the third one is imperative sentence. By imperative sentence, we can understand that it expresses order, advice, request, suggestion, etc. The fourth one is optative sentence. Optative sentence expresses someone's prayer or wish for someone. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. That is the expressions of emotion, the expressions of a person's inner grief, inner happiness, or suddenly happened something. Dear learners, now we are going to discuss our main topic, that is affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. Dear learners, we should keep in our mind that when we will change a affirmative sentence into negative or a negative sentence into affirmative, we should keep in our mind that meaning and sense must not be changed. It is most important issue in this fact that when we will change any affirmative sentence into negative or any negative sentence into affirmative, we must keep it in our mind that meaning and sense must not be changed. It must be same. Now, dear learners, you should follow some example of affirmative sentence and its negative form. Here, I give three sentences of affirmative and its negative form. Dear learners, the number one sentence is only you can do it. That is a affirmative sentence. We should change it into negative. And the second sentence is Tom is only 10. The third sentence is Taifa has only hope. Dear learners, there are three sentences. In these three sentences, we find a common word that is only, and only. But these three only do not mean the same meaning. Just you watch that only you can do it here. Only identify you. I mean, only means a person. Just for this reason, its negative form is none but. You can do it. Here we use none but instead of only. So we can say that we can use none but instead of only when we find only before a person or Allah. And in sentence number 2, we find that Tom is only 10. Here only said before 10. I mean that is a number or this 10 means age. So we can say that if only use before number or age, we change it into not more than or not less than. So the negative sentence is Tom is not more than 10 or Tom is not less than 10. In sentence number 3, that is Taifa has only hope. Here hope is a objective form. So their only is used